Hey guys, back to the doghouse today. I made a video of what I did yesterday, but it didn't turn out. I don't know what happened, but anyway, it's gone. So I'll just give you a quick update of what I did yesterday. And I did some painting, and I'll be doing that painting again today because I got to give it a second coat. When the truck's all done, I'll probably end up giving it 4 coats, because this is really not a really good automotive paint. It's an all-purpose metal paint, trim clad paint, flat black. It's the only way I can get flat black that I can afford. I can't get the hot rod black because it doesn't come in flat. It only comes in semi. I don't want semi. Besides, it's $110 a quart, where I can get this here for $80, $70 a gallon. And if it doesn't turn out, I don't care. I can paint it again. I know how to paint. I don't mind. But anyway, I'll show you what I did yesterday. And then I'll continue on with the next step in the project. So hang on, guys. There. So yesterday I got my trans cooler in there. I put it in, well, kind of hard to see, but which is good. You see my lines, but I still have that other cross member to go across here. And then I got my big rad in, got all my lines run, and then I got all my big rad hoses here. Got the rad hose on the top. I still have to make a shroud. I got the shroud from that old Jimmy that I got from my son. It doesn't fit, but well, it doesn't fit right now, but it'll fit when I'm done. A little bit of cutting here and there, pound it with a hammer, whatever. This is the inside of the hood. My last video you saw that Keith got it all cleaned up, and I did a little bit more cleaning yesterday and painted it up. This is the other cross member for the grill. I'll give that another coat today, and this is the mechanism to latch the hood, or the wing part of the hood. I'll get that painted today. I'll get that installed in the sides of the hood, and then tomorrow I will put the hood on, I think. Yeah, so anyway, that's about it. That's all I did yesterday, which was enough for me, I guess. So anyway, we'll paint this here up and call it a day. Go in and relax, watch TV with Bev. Sounds like a good idea. Okay. I just have to bring it over here so I can get it warm and warm my paint up. That way I get better flow. You guys know that. Well, most of you know that. There we go. Everything's all ready to go. So, there, like I said before, I'm just mixing it up in little soup cans that I've cleaned out, because I'm only making up little batches, and I'm not bothered using my measuring cups to mix it up. If I make a big batch, then I'll use my measuring cup. guys, we got her all painted up. 2 coats on here, on the hood. 1 coat on the little parts over here. But that'd be good enough. And I'll probably give this here another coat before I put it on, or I'll wait till I get it on, fold the wings up, and give it another shot that way. But that's all I'm going to do for today. I'm going to go in and watch TV with Bev. Kind of relax today. Take the day off. Well, take a couple hours off anyway. And so anyway, guys, thanks for hanging around. It was just a short little video, but got to contribute a little bit, eh? Nobody got hurt, and we got something done. So anyway, thanks a lot, guys. Keep on having fun out there. That's what it's all about, having fun. It's not a job. Well, for most of us anyway. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye now.